Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix system service exception BSOD on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk /r. Exit and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery, click Reset this PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.